All right, we're getting moving on the 6 trig functions, but we're going to look at it the way that you're used to looking at it using SOH CAH TOA. So we are in lesson 4.3. We're working with 6 trig functions, trigonometric functions. Our essential question is, can you evaluate trig functions of acute angles? Now this is how you know SOH CAH TOA. This is what you already know. Sine opposite over hypotenuse. So cosine of theta adjacent over hypotenuse. Ca tangent of theta opposite over adjacent. And now they've combined those. Remember, the cosecant flips of just the sine. The secant flips of the cosine. And the cotangent flips of the tan. So I think you're going to find this a little bit easier. The first thing we have to know is this is not a perfect Pythagorean triple. So I know I have to use the Pythagorean theorem to figure out what the other side is. So I don't know this side. We'll call that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So I know that a squared is equal to 12. So I know that when I take the square root of each side, a is equal to 2 root 3. So that's going to be in place right here. This is 2 root 3. And obviously, to find the SOH CAH TOA, I have to go ahead and flip everything. I'm going to actually not show it like this. I'm going to put it the way we're used to seeing it. So sine, in this case, is opposite over hypotenuse. That's going to be 1/2 because I'm just going to reduce. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. That reduces to root 3 over 2. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Well, this reduces to 1 over root 3, but don't forget we have to rationalize. So we get root 3 over 3. Now, I'm going to go ahead and write those all over here when I flip them. So I'm going to flip to find the cosec of theta. We know that's equal to 2. The secant is equal to 2 over root 3, but I have to rationalize. You guys will start doing this all in your head. 2 root 3 over 3. And when I flip 1 over root 3, I'm going to look there so I don't have to worry about flipping it and then rationalizing again. I'm just going to get root 3. So this is the SOH CAH TOA that you're used to. Don't forget to rationalize.